This is how to stop ignoring AI and start using it the right way.
Have you heard about Nexera? I am 48. I replaced scrolling with it, and it changed everything.
Here's the truth. While most people 40 plus are still just playing with ChatGPT, a new wave of AI millionaires is being created right now.
Not because they're smarter, because they started earlier. And every month you wait, it becomes harder to catch up. Nexera makes it simple. In just 10 minutes a day, you build real AI skills. Designed for beginners over 40, no tech background needed. You learn how to use AI in your job and in daily life. Get things done faster, plan better, stay organized, and feel more in control. It's short daily lessons, so it easily fits into your routine, and yes, it gets addictive. Finish the 28-day AI challenge and get your AI certificate.